So we're going to Barcelona. Our train is 7 minutes.
Esta 2.
That was the train we took to here.
Sabadell, Barcelona. Via 1.
Okay, so this is our train. No, I'm kidding, no. This is our train and we're going back to our hotel and stuff. But yeah, we're just waiting for our train and then we'll go Barcelona City and then we'll go pigeon feeding.
Oh, we're going to Sagrada Familia.
Mom, you said we were going to do something.
So this is our second day here in Spain.
I'm still
Barcelona.
freezing, by the way.
And a bit chilly though.
Really cold.
Actually, nearly 11 o'clock in the morning. Second day of Jaiden Aluan Londoners in Barcelona, Spain.
Sean, attention. Is this a video? Sean. It
Thank you for
is
watching.
51.
See ya.
Bye.